Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday, and I am Santina Love. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're having a beautiful day, because I am. All right, so I'm gonna say a quick grace and then I'm gonna let you know what I'm having or what we're having. All right. Father God, I thank you for this beautiful day, oh Lord. I thank you for this food. I ask that you bless it for the nourishment of my body, dear God, through Christ Jesus. Amen. All right, guys. Oh, I had a sip beforehand, so cheers. I'm having some rosé today. All right, so what I'm having today is I have some the remainder of the shrimps that I had. Spicy. I have some wings. I have gnocchi with cheese. I have a crab salad and some cucumbers. So let's dig in. Oh, first of all, if it is your first time here, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button. Hit it twice so it turns from red to blue. And so therefore you'll always be notified as I post a new video. All right, and if you've been here already and you've already been subscribed, please, thank you, and welcome back. All right, so let me start eating. Guys, so this is the remainder of the shrimp. I decided, let me just bring it to the table and we just eat it up today, right? And I made some, I made some potato gnocchi. It's hot. I made some, wow, that's spice there. I made some potato gnocchi. So, have a bite. I never had potato gnocchis before. What I did, I bought a pack of Italian potato gnocchis, and I did a small tutorial of it, so I will post it on my channel on Instagram at Santina Loves Menu, so you can go check it out. But it's really good. My kids love it. All right, it's a little warm in here. I just turned up the light and I'm sweaty. Sorry guys. Ooh, trying to sweat up my makeup. I think I did a good job too. So, what's on your menu today? Share with me. Of course, I have my lemon water. Let's try the wings. So these are the wings. So hot in here. This light. These are really good. You hear the crunch? Yuck. So, my second premiere, and that will be on, I don't know, I feel like since I done the first premiere a couple of days ago, I haven't posted, and the reason being is that I wasn't sure whether or not, I was contemplating whether if I wanted to go live or if I wanted to do a couple more premieres first. So I've decided, yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more premieres and then go live. I think probably going to be going live on Tuesday though, for sure. I don't know how long I'll last up there, but I'm going to try my best to last as long as possible. Here, have some crab salad. Look at that big chunk of crab. Mmm. Mmm. But, since I've done, like I said, the first premiere, I'm feeling quite comfortable now. Adrian, you were right. Thank you very much. You told me it was nothing to it. I'm getting the hang of it. But thank you for all your support. UNE, the Empress. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. I appreciate all of you guys for your support and your love. Thank you guys. All right, let's try these spicy shrimp. Oh my God. I have that 2 times spicy sauce on it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh Lord. Here we go. Woohoo. My goodness. I know. Guys. It's good, but wow. I even eat up the shell. Wow. Oh my God, this 2 times spicy stuff is deadly. But I love it. Sorry. Yeah. Wait, let me rub it up in some sauce. It's really good, but it's very spicy. I've had a great day. No, I shouldn't. I shouldn't say. Excuse me. I'm having a great day. I'm having a beautiful day. I woke up this morning in great spirits, and my day has been so blessed. I just feel really good and positive and just really, really great today. You know, sometimes you get up and your day may start off really good and then it just like somebody comes and ruins it. And not for me today. Today I woke up, I said my prayer, I thank God for another day, and it's been so great from there on. I've just been having the most beautiful day. I've been listening to all gospel all day. And yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing day. And I'm so thankful. Here, have a bite. And I made a beautiful dinner for us. So, Nicole, I hope you're going to make it tonight. I'm looking forward to seeing you, girl. Okay, there we go. Rosé. Let's see what this is the brand I'm having. It's really good. It's mild. And I likes it. So. Mmm. Yep, it's my first meal for the day. Haven't eaten anything all day. Had a glass of orange juice this morning. But this is my first meal, 6 o'clock. Mmm. Mmm. I really like this gnocchi. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. My lipstick is on the fork. Sorry. Mmm. Wow. Can you tell that I'm getting full? Yeah, I am. I don't know. I guess maybe because I've been preparing all this food. You know, sometimes when you cook, or if you're the one that's cooking, you can't really eat your food after. I mean, I could always eat my food, but right now I just feel full. I've been singing all day. Just hanging, just enjoying my Sunday. Very nice day. I love it. I didn't go outside or anything. I just been in the house. Just enjoying. No phone. I actually only got one phone call for the day, actually. Wow, you know, sometimes you're home also and your phone don't ring for the whole day. You have to pick it up and check to see if it's working. And then after you get the one call, your phone just continuously start ringing. What is that about? Beats me. But it rang once today and that was it. It hasn't rang again. And I'm good with that. I am so good with it. It's just been a very beautiful, peaceful, and relaxing day. I'm gonna put some of my chicken in this sauce here. I like it. I love the sauce. Ooh, guys. Mmm. Mmm. Look at that chicken. I like this sauce, for real. As hot as it gets, I still love it. Mmm. 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 Wow. Mmm. My nails are so jacked up. What can I do? I try to do as best I could so it could look presentable, but hey. One more ring. And I want to smother it up in the sauce. My girlfriend always asks, How is it that you eat and your lipsticks always stay on? Beats me. And you see that I take big bites too. I don't know. Mm. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Mmm. 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 Okay. Let me get you a nice bite, hun. My lovelies, let me get you a nice bite. Okay. Wow, this sauce is mad. So good. There you go. My fingernails don't look all that great, so I'm trying to avoid you seeing them. Mmm. 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 Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Uh-oh. Here you go. Mmm. I'm full. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Cheers to a beautiful day. I'm gonna pour another glass. So guys, how are you guys doing? Really, how are you guys doing with this quarantine and all? How is it for you? Is it hectic? Do you have kids? How are you managing, especially when you have kids? How are you managing? Because I know kids get bored real easy, and they want to go outside. They don't want to keep still because they want to do things. They want to be outdoors. How are you guys dealing with it? The ones that have kids, and also if you don't have kids, how is it for you just being inside? I'll tell you something. For me, at first, when it started a couple weeks back, I broke a few times because I love to get up and go. So I broke down a few times. I did. And whenever I feel like it's too much, I'm feeling overwhelmed, I pray, because I don't know what else to do but pray for strength and perseverance. I pray and I feel so much better after praying. I feel sure. I feel more secure. And yeah, that's for me though. I don't know what it is for you, but for me, I pray. I pray and I feel so much more better. But also, also, I feel like pertaining to how life has changed and what it's gonna be like, or it should be like. Honestly speaking, from my heart of hearts, I feel like, sorry, I don't like this part of my hair sticking out. And then my big arms are showing, sorry. Okay, honestly, I just feel as if this past month or 6 weeks, whatever it is for some people, being home in quarantine, I feel like, oh my God, did we need this? To actually sit back and think about what we had and say, listen, we needed a wake up. You know, I feel like, I mean, who am I to say? I just feel like the way it is right now, it's so peaceful. It's a little bit boring, but who's to say this isn't how life is supposed to be? I feel more at ease. There's no rushing to get to places. When you go outside in your car and you're driving, the roads are so calm. Nobody's beeping you to get out the way or trying to run you over to because they're in a hurry to get to another location. It's beautiful. I like it. I mean, don't come at me, but I'm speaking for me. You have your own opinion and you can voice it however you, but I'm saying, for me, I like it. It's so calm. When you look outside, it's so calm. Like, wow, what a change. I look and I said, is this the life? Is this what life is supposed to be? Is this how life is going to be from now on? Well, if it's like this from now on, it's fine with me. It really is. Because, I mean, you're not hustling and you're not rushing to get to places. You go in the grocery store, no one's rushing you to move out the way. You just take your time and do what you have to do. And, you know, it's, I like it. I'm sorry, guys. Don't be coming at me no way, but I like it. And if it stays this way, I'm good. I'm good. And I'm thankful that I'm here. I pray daily. Guys, you know I get so emotional. Let me just stop, all right? Let me eat up my food. Jeez, Sandy. All right, so anyways, yeah, I like this new change. I like this change. I don't like the fact that people are getting sick and dying and all that stuff. No. I don't like the fact that we can't go to work and all that stuff. No. I like the fact that everything's slowed down. It's a slower pace. Things, what a change. Wow, let's have another shrimp. Look at that bad boy. I'm going back to 14. Let's go get me another pack. Guys, do you hear the crunch? Listen. You did, huh? Right. Ooh. My Lord. Holy crap. Woo. Here you go. Nakota, this one is for you. Okay, girl? Take a bite. I know you like spice just as much as I do. I'm done. Ooh. I try to be creative. Look at my nails. Can't even show them up close too much because they're all, I tried. Let's have another one. Okay, listen now if you can hear the crunch. Mmm. Oh, God. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Whoa, that thing just flicked. Mm-mm-mm. There you go. Mmm. Mm-mm. I'm done. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I'm good. Mmm. Okay. Guys, thank you for eating with me today. Cheers. Thank you guys so much for joining me in dinner. Please, if you like this video, go give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment so I could know what you like or what you didn't like, or, you know, just leave me a comment. And please share this video with everyone. You could share it on your social media. Oh, so hot. I need water. Hold on a second. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna get off the line. Okay, so please, yeah, share this video. Share it out with everyone and anyone. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for coming and watching me, Santina Love here. I'm gonna say have a great evening. Stay safe, stay blessed. Enjoy the time you're having with your family indoors. And I will see you guys soon. Thank you. I love you guys so much. Have a great evening. God bless you.